Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure IP4 is enabled on the device and you have admin access to both the device and router. Once done, record the current IP4 address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS so you can revert if needed. Next, decide DHCP versus static addressing. Choose static only when you need fixed addressing, otherwise use DHCP for simplicity. Finally, check router firmware and device network drivers. Update them now, if they are out of date, to avoid configuration conflicts later. You now configure the chosen IP4 settings. If using static, pick an address outside the router's DHCP pool and enter the matching subnet mask and gateway. Once set, add primary and secondary DNS. Use a trusted resolver or your ISP's servers. After saving changes, restart the network interface or reboot the device to apply them. Then run ipconfig or ifconfig and perform ping tests to the gateway and a public IP to verify connectivity. Inspect reply times and packet loss to identify issues. You finish by documenting the final IP4 configuration and updating DHCP reservations on the router so addresses remain consistent. Make sure NAT and firewall rules do not block intended traffic, and verify routing table entries if multiple subnets exist. If something fails, revert to the recorded original values first. Then check physical connections and cable integrity, and re-examine network driver and router firmware updates. As a key troubleshooting tip, if connectivity remains inconsistent,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.